So hello guys, today we are going to unbox LG convection microwave oven. So first I'll show the view of the oven. So it is like this. We have used it for couple of months, so it is looking little bit used. Guys, if you want to buy this LG convection microwave oven, so link is there in description to buy this, so you can buy it from there in Amazon India. So when we turn on the light inside will be turning on, and here we have all the things, low calorie, we have all the settings, we have tandoori se, kids delight, we have so many of them, steam clean, etc., Indian cushion. So all of these, they'll have a separate number so that we will be able to know. Next, ghee bakery, tea delight, paneer and curd, so we can make paneer and curd and ghee also, and cooking aid. And next up we have steam clean for cleaning our oven, and next we have 10 seconds, 1 minute and 10 minutes, so you can see here. So guys, next we have microwave option. So if you press that, we have 900 volts. This is 900 watts oven. So first it will come 900, again if you press it will be coming low, so 740, like that it will be becoming low, and it has till 180, from 900 watts to 180 watts. Next we have convection mode. In that we have from 180 degrees to 220, and to increase the heat you have to press plus button, and to decrease you have to press minus button. And next we have grill. It is used for making sandwiches and etc. And next up we have combination, so you can combine microwave, grill and etc. So here they gave all the manual how to control them, how to first set up them. You have to set up inside parts, just the wire, not wirings, just keeping the plate up and things like that. They even gave low rack and up rack. So here we have all the low calorie, and as I told you, they gave the items which we can make, and they even gave in some pages how to make those recipes. So you will be having ingredients in this, how to make it and etc. Next up we have Tastes of India. This is only for India. So in this you can see that it is very nice to see and touch also. So in this we have soups and snacks. First you can make some things of soups and snacks, pizzas. They gave how to make in this Taste of India and etc. So you can see here veg and non-veg. You have everything you want. And next we have sweets corner. You have cakes, you have cookies, so many things. You have desserts, you have healthy recipes. These are healthy ones. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.